Should we have a little look at my latest work upstairs? Right, coming up. We're nearly there with up here. There's still bits and pieces to be done, like I want to paint the walls and there's lots of snagging to be done. But first time renovation, everything that could go wrong did go wrong. We did major works upstairs that were really testing. Let's go and have a look. Okay, this is the loft that caused me the most drama during my house renovation. We started it over a year ago and I didn't get a good recommendation and everything went wrong. I didn't have a roof, it leaked, this kind of fell down, the electrics were terrible. It's taken me a long time to come up here and feel happy, but I finally got it how I want it. But I never, ever want to feel like that again. So I actually wanted to give myself a bit of time before I finished off the rest of upstairs and do some research, which is really important. Actually, that's where I came across Hoppy, a brand new home management website where you can book local tradesmen direct through them. They also guarantee their work, which is excellent, and a real peace of mind when you're doing a home renovation. I'm actually going to put them to the test next week, so wish me luck. Right, I've got loads to do, you better go. See you later.